We are looking at the Toyota Cresta 2.5 GT Twin Turbo for the 1991 model year kit from Fujimi. This will be a 124 scale curbside kit. Released in 1991 as the Cresta 2.5 GT Twin Turbo 1991. And then this version was reissued in 2016. And it is today's What's in the Box. Getting started with the body. You can see it is a one-piece body, molded in black. Off now with the chassis plate. As you can see, a good amount of detail is molded into the underside. Tree A, which is a little bit of chassis pieces and interior pieces. Axle piece. We'll take a look at the front axle subframe piece, which has a lot of details molded onto it. Come down here, we have fuel tank piece as well as an exhaust pipe. And here we have the two-piece dash. On to the next parts tree. We'll just call this parts tree B. There's no identification for it, which is basically the interior parts tree. Take a look at the interior. And again, typical Fujimi fashion, very light on the interior detail. Here we have a set of mirrors, the rear shelf tray piece, a gear shift lever. And here you have steering wheel column, rearview mirror, seats. And here you have a spoiler and another, looks like two spoilers maybe. Well, one is for sure a spoiler. Tree G, which is the clear parts tree. Have the main window unit piece. Lenses, taillight lenses, and what have you. It's a rear taillight panel here. Headlight lenses, marker light lenses, a sunroof. Not sure what those pieces are. Looks like for maybe for license plates, maybe. And now we're going to take a look at the decal sheet. Look at the wheels and tires. You see the tires already mounted to the wheels for you. The exhaust tips. Of course, you get a couple of metal axle rods and some polycaps. Friends, is going to do it for this. So look at the 1991 Toyota Cresta 2.5 GT Twin Turbo Kit from Fujimi. Definitely another one of this is definitely gonna be a weekend builder for sure. Light on parts detail, but all tooling. And yes, if you're trying to get yourself some Toyota color matched paint, James in the Scalefinishes should maybe be able to hook you up with some of that for you. That's how you want to roll. So on that note, thanks for watching. See you next time.